reason I'm creating this video today is because this is something that I often come across. So I've been asked today to replace this light. It's of metallic construction, so conductive, therefore it needs to have an earth. As you can see clearly, the earth symbol is just there, and you can see that there's only a 2-core cable coming to this light supplying power and neutral, no earth. So potentially this unit could become live, and the next the homeowner knows about it is when they touch it and get a fatal shock. Okay, so I've just removed that light and you can see some lovely modification here, but that has enabled the person that installed the light to space the light from the ceiling so that they could just leave the ceiling rose up there. And all they've done is they've taken the small pendant off the bulb holder and just connected that into the new light. My opinion is the person that installed that light had no idea whatsoever what it was they were dealing with and the potential risk and danger that they caused to themselves and anybody else in the property. Now you see the wooden base, the spacer is removed, and I'm just working on removing this silicone sealant to see if I can tidy it up a bit before installing the new light. I often receive phone calls from clients that have had a go at replacing lights themselves, and normally it's a case of, oh, they've taken this light down and now it's acting all peculiar. Either the light's not working or it's staying on, or other lights in the house are switching on and off when the switch is being operated. And the reason for that is because they've muddled up the switch wire. So as you can see here, we've got 3 red cables, 3 live cables there. These 2 here are the neutrals, you can see they're black. And then you've got another solid black cable over here with no identification on it. That's actually the switch live. This comes from the ceiling rose, goes to the light switch, and then once the switch is turned on, the power comes back up this black switch and tells the light to come on. So I'm going to take that one out first, put a little bit of sleeving on it so that I know exactly which is which. There we go, nice and simple. Put a bit of sleeving on that and just curled the edge over, the end of it over, so that that sleeving won't drop off and leave me in the same situation. Alright, I've got the test equipment to prove which cable it is. I like a lot of clients that try this. There you have it, one safe and functional polished chrome light fitting with LED lights installed.